Good day, everyone. I'm Jenny Rose as De Leon from BEd 2C, and today I will be presenting the movie analysis of The Lorax. Now, let's proceed to the characters. First, si Lorax. Si Lorax is a small orange creature who speaks for the trees and tries to protect nature. Second, si Audrey. Audrey is a Ted friend who dreams of seeing a real tree. Si Ted Wiggins naman ang the main protagonist who search for a real tree to fulfill Audrey's wish. And si Wansler is a businessman whose greed causes the destruction of Truffalo Forest. And lastly, si O'Hare. Si O'Hare naman is ang the main antagonist who profits by selling bottled air and wants to stop Ted from planting trees. Now, let's move on to the objectives. First, to understand the importance of protecting the environment. Second, to recognize the harmful effects of deforestation and pollution. And third, to promote responsible use of natural resources. And the fourth one is encourage people to care for trees, animals, and nature. And lastly, explain the relationship between science, technology, and society in the Lorax.
Ted, honey, don't play with your food. You either, Mom.
So, Mom, do you happen to know if there's, like, any place where I could get a real tree?
Ted, we already have a tree. It's the latest model.
Yeah, but I mean like a real one that grows out of the ground or whatever, you know, like a real tree.
Really? You'd rather have some dirty, messy lump of wood that just sticks out of the ground and it does what? I don't even know what it does. What's its purpose? Look at what we've got. It's the Okomatic, the only tree with its own remote. Summer, autumn, winter, and disco.
Mom.
Come on, Ted, get into it. Dance with the tree.
Oh, it hurts, Mom. Please stop. So, anyway, let's just say I need a tree. Where would I go? What do I do?
Oh, then you know what? You'd need to find the Wansler.
Now, let's proceed to the introduction or the information about the movie. The Lorax is a 2012 animated based on the book Dr. Seuss. The story is about a boy named Ted who wants to find a real tree to impress a girl named Audrey. He visits the Wansler, who tells him how the beautiful Trapula forest was destroyed because of greed and overproduction. The movie teaches us the importance of protecting nature and taking responsibility for the environment.
How bad can I be? I'm just building the economy. How bad can I be? Just look at me petting this puppy. How bad can I be?
A portion of proceeds goes to charity.
How bad can I be? How bad could I possibly be? Let's see. All the customers are buying, and the money's multiplying, and the PR people are lying, and the lawyers are denying. Who cares if a few trees are dying? This is all terrifying. How bad? How bad can this possibly be?
Throughout the movie, Wansler becomes successful by making tents from chocolate trees. Habang lumalaki kasi ang pangangailangan sa kanyang produkto, patuloy siyang pumuputol ng mas maraming puno na hindi iniisip ang magiging epekto nito sa kalikasan. Si Lorax naman, who speak for the trees, repeatedly warns him to stop. But the Wansler ignored these warnings. Dahil dito, nasira ang kagubatan, nawalan tirahan ng mga ayop, at lalong lumala ang polusyon sa kapaligiran. In the end, na-realize ni Wansler na that his action caused great harm and hopes that others will learn from his mistake. At ipinapakita ng pelikula or ang movie na yan, mahalagang isipin ang magiging bunga ng ating mga desisyon at pangalagaan ng kalikasan para sa susunod pa na henerasyon. Now, let's proceed to the STS of the movie. The slide shows the science in the Lorax. First is the biodiversity, which means may iba't ibang uri ng halaman at hayop na naninirahan sa Truffula Forest. Next is ang deforestation, or ang labis na pagputol ng mga puno na sumisira sa kalikasan. We also have air pollution na dulot ng usok mula sa mga pabrika. Habitat loss means nawawalang tirahan ang mga hayop dahil sa pagkasira ng kagubatan. And lastly, ang reforestation. It's shown when Ted plants the last Truffula seed. Na nagpapakita na may pag-asa pang mabalik ang kalikasan. And now let's proceed to technology. This slide represents the technology used in the movie. First, the cutting machine help to once they cut more trees quickly. And ang factory naman ay gumawa ng maraming threads, pero nagdulot din ito ng pollution. Third is yung artificial trees were created because wala nang tunay na puno sa kanilang lugar. And yung lastly, ang bottled air was sold because the air become polluted, at ipinapakita ng movie na ang technology ay pakipakinabang pero dapat gamitin ng responsible or ng tama. Third one, ang society. This slide shows the society in the Lorax. And the people in place become dependent on artificial product instead of real nature. Ang animals ang pinaka-apektado dahil nawala sila ng tirahan at pagkain. Si Walser ay nagsasell ng thread to show how greed and people's demand for product can lead to environment destruction. Ang mensahe ng movie ay may responsibilidad tayong lahat sa pangangalaga ng kalikasan para sa susunod na henerasyon, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina. And overall, the Lorax teach us the science help understand nature. Technology should be used responsibly, and society must work together to protect the environment. And now, let's proceed to the problem, or environmental impact. The main problem in the Lorax is an destruction of the environment, caused by the greed and the irresponsible use of natural resources. The movie explains that cutting down too many trees and creating pollution can destroy ecosystem and negatively affect both animals and people. It also teach us that everyone has a role in protecting nature, like by planting trees, conserving resources, and making responsible choices. People can help protect the environment and create a better future for the next generation.
Thank you, Ted.
You done good, Beanpole. You done good. By the way, nice mustache.
Sa ending ng Lorax, ibinigay ni Wansler kay Ted ang huling truffle seed at sinabi na ang kinabukasan ng kagubatan ay nakasalalay sa mga taong tunay na nagmamalasakit nito. Ted plants the seed and inspire other people to protect nature. Unting-unting naunawaan ng mga tao ang kahalagaan ng tunay na mga puno at ng isang malinis at malusog na kapaligiran. The movie ends with hope, showing that even one person can make a difference by taking care of the earth. And sinasabi nga din sa movie, unless someone like you cares a whole awful lot, nothing is going to get better. It's not. Ipinapakita ng mensaheng ito na ang pagbabago ay nasisimula sa bawat isa kung magmamalasakit tayo sa kalikasan at kikilos upang ito ay mapangalagaan. Makakatulong tayo sa paglikha ng mas ligtas at mas magaan.